Let's start with the truth. TikTok Shop, it's not a trend. It's not going away in 2026, and it's definitely not saturated the way most people think it is. Right now, TikTok is pushing TikTok Shop hard. They want people buying inside the app. They want creators selling products, and anyone who makes, who helps that, well, they will reward them. That's where affiliates come in. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how TikTok Shop affiliate marketing works, step by step, in plain English, no hype, no complicated terms, and no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just how people are actually doing this right now and how you can start too. And no, it's not going to be a video where at the end of it, I'll try to sell you my course or whatever. I don't have a course. I don't care. This is something that I did. This is something that a lot of my friends are doing, and I know a thing or two. So let's just start with it. First of all, you don't need your own product. You don't need your own warehouse. You don't need customer support, and you don't need money up front. You're basically helping TikTok sell other people's products, and TikTok pays you a commission when a sale happens. It's a simple idea. It works just like any other affiliate program works. Whatever you had experience with. I don't know. Amazon, whatever. The same thing. When someone clicks on your link and they actually make a purchase, you get a commission for it. And one of the biggest reasons why this works is this. TikTok has over 2 billion visits each month on its platform. So it's huge traffic. 2 billion people coming over to, scroll or whatever, and TikTok is doing like the best as they can to promote TikTok shops and to just put them in front of the people. And they're going to do that for you too, because you're going to be an affiliate. So first of all, you've got affiliate for sellers. This is not something that you would do, because for this, you have to have your own brand. And this is affiliate for sellers because they want to connect to creators. But this is what you want to do, and this is what we're going to do. Affiliate for creators. So your only job is this. You pick a product from TikTok Shop, you create a video about it, you add the product link to the video, of course, and you earn a commission when someone buys. That's it. You're not running ads. You're not shipping anything. You're not dealing with refunds with people. TikTok handles all of it. The checkout, the payments, shipping, customer service. You just create content. And this is why TikTok Shop is beginner friendly. And yeah, a lot of people ask me do I need to have a huge following in order to start? Well, that's one of the biggest myths. TikTok Shop is mostly search based, and it's recommendation based, not follower based. I mean, all the social media platforms are going towards that. Followers, subscribers, that's the thing of the past. People buy now because the video showed up, and maybe the video solved a problem. Maybe the video looked authentic, and you don't have to have a huge following because, as I've told you, mostly search-based. And all you gotta do is to create good content and put good keywords in it. And you can start with a brand new account. You can have 0 followers. You don't have to have a personal brand. In fact, faceless accounts work extremely well here. Just before applying, make sure that your account is at least a few days old and you've posted a few normal videos, even unrelated ones, and just make sure your profile looks real, right? Then you apply to TikTok Shop as an affiliate directly inside TikTok. You can do it via the app. This is in fact how you can do it. You just log in to TikTok Shop Seller Center, you go to the affiliate and you click on Get Started, and then you just connect with some people. And all you gotta do, as it says right here, find the products, get those samples. This is really important. And then you just sell those products via your content. Now, what is good really is that you get the samples from the shops, all right? So you don't have to buy these yourself, so you can create videos about it. You get them, all right? Now, TikTok Shop is not available in all of the regions worldwide, but if it is available in your region, the process is really simple. You just apply, you agree to the terms, you get access to the product marketplace, and then you just choose which product you want to affiliate for, and there's like thousands of products, and commission rates are sometimes 20%, sometimes 30%, sometimes even 50%, depends on the seller. And there are like trending items, best-selling items, and it's good for beginners because you're not guessing what to sell. TikTok literally tells you what's already working, and you can just jump on the train that's already working, right? So that's a really good thing if you're just starting out. Also, what's really important is that you choose the right products, all right? This matters a lot. This step decides whether you make money or waste time. And do not overthink this, all right? The best TikTok shop products usually have like price between $5 to $50. This is because of the demographics of TikTok. And the best products, they solve a small and clear problem. People love those little gadgets that like seem to solve some problem for them. And it's usually like kitchen gadgets, some phone accessories, or some beauty tools, or home organizers. Just avoid some expensive electronics or complicated products or things that need a long explanation. Your goal is fast understanding. Someone should just watch your video and think, oh my god, I need that now. And that's the impulse buy. And of course, you have to understand the content style that actually sells. This is where most beginners mess up. You don't want polished ads. You don't want like influencer energy. You don't want over editing. What works in 2026 is still the same thing that works now. Raw, simple, problem solution content. You're not trying to sell anything. Maybe this sounds like a paradox, but you're just showing, all right? It's even better if you look like a normal person, It's even better if the video feels unplanned because, people like this authentic content now. The lighting also, it doesn't have to be perfect, all right? TikTok users trust imperfection. That's just the way we live now. And you don't need the product, all right? This is a huge advantage. You don't even have to own the product. Many sellers allow these sample requests, and you can get these products for free if you're gonna make a video about it. That's really cool. And also, you can remix approved content from the marketplace. You're gonna see a lot of videos, and you can remix those. You can use product demo footage. And this is why faceless TikTok shop accounts work so well. Your job is not to make a review. Your job is to make the product visible in the feed. And that's all there is to it. And yes, of course, just like anything else, TikTok shop rewards volume. It's not perfection, it's not luck, it's not anything like that. It rewards consistency. You just have to show up. If you post one video per week, nothing will happen. Just the way it is. If you post one per day, well, that's where you're gonna see things moving. If you post 2 videos per day, well, that's gonna be better, of course. Most successful affiliates don't have one viral video. They have 50 average videos that quietly make money. You're just playing a numbers game. Now just give me 1 minute for my sponsors today. You can freely skip the next minute if you want to. Quick shout out to this video's sponsor, Proxy4You, the proxy provider trusted by pros worldwide. Featured on Yahoo, Benzinga, and Business Insider, Proxy4You is changing the proxy game with performance and transparency that's hard to beat. They offer residential, mobile, and data center proxies in more than 195 countries. It's perfect for scraping, automation, and of course stealth browsing. No expiry dates, no monthly fees, no limitations. Just pure pay-as-you-go freedom. It's got 4.8 on reviews.io and 4.6 on Trustpilot. People trust Proxy4You because it works. Click the link down there in the description and upgrade your workflow with Proxy4You today. Get started completely for free. No credit card needed. Now, here's the underrated part. TikTok wants your videos to sell. When a video starts converting, TikTok pushes it harder. It shows it to buyers and keeps it alive longer. And this is very different from normal TikTok content. Sales, well, it's a signal. Even a video with like 1,000 views, but with the right audience, can outperform a 100,000 view video with no intent. All right? TikTok wants people to stay. They want people to spend money on TikTok because they're getting commissions as well, and they're going to help you. That's just the way it is. And speaking about money, commission rates vary a lot. You're going to see like 10, 20, 40, sometimes 50, as I've told you. So yeah, just do the math and check out the products in the marketplace. And yeah, let's just talk about some mistakes now. You should avoid to wait for the perfect product. Also, you should avoid deleting videos too early. Also, do not copy viral videos word for word. That's just going to be a bad thing. And yeah, do not give up after 1 week. Most people fail because they stop too early. TikTok Shop rewards persistence more than talent. And once you get your first sales, scaling is really simple. You just double down on what sells and you test similar products, or you create multiple accounts if needed. And some people turn this into a full-time income. Some people turn this into an agency. But even as a side hustle, it's very powerful. So yeah, this is not passive. It's not instant. It's not guaranteed. But it is one of the lowest barrier online income models in 2026. If you can post consistently, if you can stay patient, if you can test without ego, TikTok Shop affiliate marketing can absolutely work for you. But yeah, it won't make you rich overnight. It won't work if you quit early, and it won't work if you never post. But if you're consistent, if you're patient, dedicated, and willing to test, this is one of the lowest barrier ways to make money online in 2026. You don't need experience, you don't need money, you just have to take action, right? That's what it is. So yeah, I wish you good luck, stick to it, and I'll catch you next time.